I'm getting on with the old people. The JetBlue, my dad, Puerto Rican Mike and Jesse getting on the airplane. Subscribe down below. Hey Dad, take this then if you want to do something. Do want to carry everything? There he goes, Puerto Rican Jesse and Mike on the plane. Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll see you again. I'll be back.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, hello. Thank you. What's the odds of that? You're all the way in the back, 28. Hola. Go, Dad. Continue. That's my dad. We're doing a documentary on him.
Oh, like
Before he crashes into seats. Go on. 28, Dad. 28C. Took a lot of allergy things. Too many. The other side, Dad. I'm getting stuck. No, you're C, Dad. 28C. But I'm gonna sit against the window for the takeoff. So put your bags up. All right, we're signing off. Puerto Rican Mike and Jesse. Say hello to everyone. Say hello to the fans. There he is. Here, grab it. What? Grab it. You want me to do it? Hold the camera for me. Give me a nice, show me, turn it around. Film me. Film me, Dad. Thanks. There you go, turn it around. All right, putting up Dad's bag. I'm in C. Yeah, still record me. Now I'm taking the window on the takeoff. You're gonna sit in the aisle. You're sitting in the aisle for the takeoff. Okay. All right, you're here for now, and then I'll move over here after the takeoff. Okay?
Yep.
All right. Okay, we're the first on the planes. A little bright in here. And there's the plane. We're getting on now. Oh. Okay, are you ready for the trip back home now?